Right, so just a small update. I got these pieces out of the sides where they would meet up to the base. So I removed those by taking off the front cage. And whilst I did that, I also oiled the thing. There's a lubrication port there, I don't know if you can see. Probably not. Anyway, there's one on the inside of the motor, but that needs to get at it. You need to remove the cage. So yeah, now I've got it in exhaust mode. It's in quite secure. Now we don't have any rubber to rubber contact anymore. Or rubber to rubber, metal to rubber. So the only points of contact with the window are there, wedged in by the PVC. Now we've also got down here, just a bit of gravity to be honest, sat on the bottom. And in here, by the window locking mechanism, we've got one of the spokes hitting there, locking it. So that's how this works. This is an exhaust mode, so technically, if I manage to seal it up using this blind, which unfortunately I can't because the problem is that this fan is so powerful, it literally just blows the blind back. And if I have it down like that, this piece just blows up like that. I can't really do much to stop it. Even so, we've got gaps there, and this just turns around, so it's like that instead of like that. So the only way to do it really would just get a massive bit of cardboard to cut around here. So yeah, I'll have to just start collecting boxes, won't I? So yeah, that's my DIY whole house fan. A Pattern high velocity air circulator. Now, as you can see, it's obviously not permanent. Well, I don't want it to be, if I'm honest. Because this is UK, it's probably going to rain tomorrow. There goes a car. It's probably going to rain tomorrow, and at night it'll probably be very cold. Because it's a clear sky. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have one, subscribe for more. Like this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't. Obviously, because that's what's labelled on them. But anyway, I'll leave it at that.